Yes, Adom say fiala de ya ne de. Fiala ya na mu de.
Apple life, make a chairman so check.
Who here? A camera bono.
Make a chairman.
Send ye what police to his appearance there. Say Unyes kana bedini na no ama ho anye feso hadwen.
Nyame ye wadom nye adwuma boso so etua kayabo life.
Who here?
Oh here.
Who here?
Any ane ye?
Asam no ebisa no. Nipa ye den.
Ada ba wuni apam ko tintin bi kura na ye de ahwe na kura na ase ni bia ba furu ye ma osu tu she.
E kan nde na nkata
apam ko tintin bi na ye de ahwe mema hye gon nti sama bi o Ghana bia o shata de fita.
Na ga so shata be.
Sen sama fa o Ghana ina na mu sama na shefu.
No shefu madam moku shefu sa
sama fa o Ghana ina she white.
Kapito mame nchia sofo eje ni makon dakwa.
Oh, this pastor.
Yes, mame nchia edan ye wie almost picture no so efe.
Oh,
chenchirenchi efe. Na enra wo hu captain me kai asem a me ne politician bi di nkomo ka che me. Na asem o kan ne se me maba holidays ne wedi 18 no. Ena me ka che ne se nkonko register. Konko register o. Na wonyi voters ID card bi ne duru se ye to aba enko akoto. Wose ne ba ne se won to aba. Ne ba ne se won to aba. Enti mu a abato a ye to wo mayi mu. Mode mo ho eje mo koma che se wunipa kro wa hyeda gina matire se me kodi atutwa asem. Politicians ne wose ne ba ne se on register on won to aba. Enso wadi minister wo mayi mu da wo. Ye ya kwoto aba ma nipa na na be di minister wo mayi mu. Na nura yesu ni mo wu a no ahwe na expectations ananka nipa hwe ni mu se nipa dodo no e wo constituency wo be kwa kwoto aba no hu percentage nipa kwoto aba no
so okay can we do 20,000
no
nipa over 88,000 na wo constituency
wo nipa dodo e kwoto aba no because I don't know ni enti a constituency bit to say ayawaso wesu agun na mode be ye comparison say ebiesi wo ha ebisi wo atiwa ebisi wo talency ebisi wo chirepone ebisi wo hefa
say no me udim ena Ghana for so ho ana ya misre ya sum sheda ye the negatively eti ena o mo kan sa no say na talency kra we mu so ye bi wo ho ante ye
talency ebisi wo ho no mo no talency ebi si wo honom no na ye den ena decision ben ye take ye ntine ede ye dru ba bi a ye dru na Kofi Buachi na ase 2020
Kofi Buachi wanka 2020
no wose de ankasa say ya nhwe
Kofi Buachi say parties ne mienu ni nyina sa vigilante groups na gradual wo mu training wo mo no by election ya ye be koso yi so we want the chassis a bit expose yen. That was his first statement. Owie na Kofi Buachi kan say by election expose yen 2020 say ya nye careful la. Your council also no obi ate ye.
Bon ya ma ho kwan hwe
and this man is a police officer. Wa commande Greater Accra maybe a president Teda no a regional commander of the Greater Accra region with free Greater Accra
Akwa Asante
Ashanti region. These are the two most difficult regions in Ghana if anybody care to know. Ashanti region answer no beti the police odini ye no na adwuma no wunim because ehɔ no monarch ne ye adwuma ntinye de efi heba no nyina na kwa ha na nye de efi heba no nyina na kwa ha ente say we very tactical
me hwe papers mu na mahu say one of the papers minister national security minister edi tudwa say ne ekọ so nra no e dangerous ne ekọ so nra no e dangerous national security minister wo kwa ba wo hu na wunim say national security minister wo mayi mu na ne esi ye no asi no no so aka bi ne e be twere say wo say e dangerous dangerous no hwane nkwaye hu adwuma
nti wo de hwane nkwaye hu adwuma ne be from ayawa so what's go on election and ra is it an election
by election
anyway
I have thrown a challenge to the national security apparatus If you're really open to investigating this, if you say you don't know the men, line up the men, do a parade of the men who you put on duty today. And I, Sam George, will point out the people who carried out that assault. If the national security is really ready to set an example of discipline among their ranks, if the actions of this hoodlums was not sanctioned by the Minister for National Security and National Security Coordinator, and we are hearing Director of Operations or whatever at the Office of the President, if they didn't sanction this, they know the men they put on duty today. I mean, such operations, you have a full roster and duty call of the men who have been on operation. I've worked in the Office of the President before.
MPP-led security forces. And the Okatem is a meaning Kontano, he now almost season of the Ducano or the Bemame, compare boys need the NDH. And they mean that the election monitor, law abiding citizen, Midinichi Echo doing the Kano. Pakinamania, what they keen, he be any hold of the man.
But what are you, Kakiana?
And you make kaki, your boys need back home a kaki in the couple and shoot earlier on. Now, boy in the back of kaki, a better window, and I almost see a window, but one of the Bama you can. And see me see you do want me to keep it for 2 can. Me drew on 1 2 in the end home, and I'm see you. It's the name of the for now. They're making it one of the so-called security forces. No, me say, me, they be a mix, or a mix, but not TV videos, so I'm doing for that, and nothing to round the baby. And I'm a Daniel, and it's not been out the baby. The bonnie need 9 years. Earlier on, now me before we say, if I'm saying, now you're free. Candidate if you ever Lucano, yes, Obi mo. Nipa ne pie SGI. Or sharing the mostly on coding, on sign it, on sign Papa no you're confused because on one if you and I have a room. Obi some question now, move on buy or perform you guys who no efa bob amanu. And to share video no and now make answer you cannot kill a man in his own house. Why do you do this to a man in his own house?
And see
Papa no one if he
it's in the pay. I
can't do like the commander of the forces. Me see me who on one on share, who not on share man. Okay, AK-47. How can you tell me a member of parliament who represents people say you killed a Ghanaian in his house for asking you to then I'm here on his feet? And I'll see a family home. I'll see me here come, that's a man here come, bullets will home. I said, I'll catch me. Almost started to say, "Oh, move, boom, no. Now boys no who you, now boys no panel. And almost started to say, "Oh, move, and the Captain Smart, Mona Moya journalist. More cover by elections did they? Obian himself by elections. No, I think temperature no control. But what will we be done? It happened at 8 o'clock in the morning. 1 hour into pulling. 1 hour.
What can I say? Papa baako ye bono to fa no mo de bo boni timani wu ho a
I'm not you fear being dream pong fee in front of me when you say obi be catch me me complaining say wo mo leader no o catch me say me nka mo to na family
Pacho sandi pana o mo de ade bo no na wo brempon fie ho na say ono ni fie na ben ho na wo fie na ben ho
wonim bawaleshi ye bawaleshi ayet say that area no school dining no the says e lugu what ma say enti wo be fa obi fie I say regular zone go di walls set in ho brempon fie de wall ho enti ye fie na ye come back to school no ye papa ni fie mu the house is a cream colored house. I can't forget it's a cream colored house. Not papa share white or share white t-shirt. Upla. Say mami efo be two papa no na oda fo and all started to also. Also say na yembo papa na was didn't from his eyes and nose and mouth. Omo the bomb bonity while he was lying on the ground. Me kasa no yesi mi nyekum na enfam na se manyekum na stable ko.
Pacho tama we kwaso na wo mo papa waso no na police for ho
But you're not police more than 20. One car AK-47 ever. Police were soldier. They stood aside. In fact, we share footage now. Who said we put it out now? Even when the attack started, one of the policemen tried to intervene, and he was pulled back. Not police forging now. The police was helpless. It's as though the police had been given a direct instruction: do not interfere in whatever these hoodlums and these thugs are doing. See, Obia on them or printing. Parliamentary candidates like printing. Who to me printing of T-shirts and see we are printing now. Now if you are helpful, how you print now 1 year deep transfer.
I have just returned from the Legon hospital where 6 of our boys who are party agents and some of them accredited observers were shot at. Some of them have broken bones. Some of them are seriously injured. And as I speak to you now, they are preparing to move 2 of the injured persons to the 37 military hospital. That should tell you the extent of the damage. Nobody has been killed.
I don't think I can dictate to the police as to the apparel they should put on. Depending on their own intelligence on the ground, they determine how to dress. And I don't think that if you've not done anything, if you are not coming to cause any commotion, you should be afraid of any police mask in anything. You are all here. Why don't you run away because the police has put on masks? No, I don't think it is so. They have let us allow the security agency to do their work. I'm just telling them that the situation is calm. Everybody should. You see, this is the impression that our opponents want to create in order to scare people from coming to vote. Other than that, what's the problem?
I'm on my presidential for Asia 8 Baby, are you way? And then Abisaria and or how Cassia and Ato NDC Kono. I was West, we're going by election year. And the electoral commission for this also, and the police for this also said, Yen Jaco, one film on the Yabba said, Yabba about some film, Basabiama. That's when I just had the Cobado. And the player, sorry, and just and part. Your parliamentary candidates are your friend, Honorable the local Supreme Paul, and the pay in the fear, and security for take car pickups near them. And invisible forces for Akotwa the sword the fear ho atu tutro ama enipa mako wa twi etu akawo emu ensia at the hospital Legon hospital me amedi mani akwakohwe mienu critical condition mbra be free ho no now a doctor for no ACC won now man refer won to either 37 and I said police hospital. Me ankasa me kodu hono na emoja enwinu go hono ani enjan na ye bisa ya ho se o man Ghana kabi ma me ka bia mobo we bia kodu ni ana me no ka say ye national deputy organizer Adom Agbana ya twasha no so abro no ye member of parliament for Ningo Pram ye friend Honorable Sam George invisible forces and other security agencies at twasha no so and the 2 now must say, Baby Odano, Eddie. So, and I'm a mere fool, I a deputy organizer. Name your bam on any number, on any young monitors, so you have to ask the swamp on the paper. Send them away, you know, Nakoswa. You call your parliamentary candidate to fear no. Moja, and you go for your honum, and any nompa, nipa, dompa, and the honum. Any nipa power hono no ye call ye no na ye parliamentary candidate no o shedemu ehu aka na ontumi mpi ye ne kasa ye no o ka tire ye se aba ye koto no enya sa aba yiti na moja ebenwunu na nipa hwe wo nkwa it is ha na beba dia na sabe o twe ne wo fi abato no kra na asubwe beba ope yes no yes agrobaya da na efura nopa ye hwa nopa yi a esumo ma yempo ne awurukasama ye di yankrofo afeuko party police station invisible forces for their day security national security tag e da bomb komu e no mo gina ho ye ntimi guarantee ye security and say security of our party agents and the officers are Yadoma Kogu field home. Enti yakeka yetibo mono. Yaka and the parliamentary candidate and the party penny and the council of elders nippy and the penny for the Bishia and you will say any form of good now whoever pass election modia and the not a young toa and young tia. Your agents now hono. Ya 2 years after was almost free various police stations. If you name a better one, and I do. Now, your person, your catch up with the sir. A trouble bar. A patrol, move for near Oya. Move for near Oya. Young Crawford, a call ya. Walk about APOSO, and I'm not a 2 account. A binum I pray woman cause the same. Yes, Lassie, says I buy election, you know, any problem at the NDC. Yes, I'm the sir. The agents bring down PM3 police stations. Yan the Abatono and Yan the Yasu. At the end to make Cassa Abatono, Womunyai, number 1, your girlfriend and yes, bring guarantee on security. The Abatoso said. The free high, you call IGP. Now you're not going to get a home. You're electoral commission for her. Near the Fonina, I didn't know what you're near. Beside one said, protection of the castle and never mind. And I am leading a delegation of the party from here to the IGP office to ratify our protest. In the manner
the APOSO or Legon Hospital Makai not less than 15 people are omoye victims of the violence and shooting incident at AC and there where by election politics, as I say, preserve life, as I say, enhancing the welfare of the people. Politics should be about the exchange of ideas, not bloodletting. And so say a year basa and this kind of woodism and all of that. And the mababeti waha many victims na kasa omo narration na omo MPFA omo nya bibia just in the MP's residence. Now, clear elements within the invisible forces and Delta forces identify wearing security, the uniforms belonging to the security agencies. A be police uniforms, a be military uniforms. The Constitution of Ghana is very, very clear. Say, Obia ini to me. Say, Obe Rezi Onwani Army. It's treasonable. It's against the Constitution of Ghana. Nanso, Yensha de Ekos wende. Ghana's day of shame. By election. The good people of Ayawaso West Wogon. One of the most decent constituencies in Ghana. Don't deserve this. What kind of desperation is that? Say, Binance also, their policies are working. Ghana for happy and pleased with your policy interventions. Is this, is this how you go about it? This shows the government has lost every legitimacy. And the APOSO and then no other person than the president, the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, per Article 83 of the Constitution, and also now the chairman of the National Security Council, he takes the blame. And Yenyina say these boys were his militia, or no raise these invisible forces within the MPP. Time or pre-flag bearership, or emerge as flag bearer, he maintained them. Leading to even the death of the Upper East Regional Chairman of the MPP. The course of the MPP headquarters and Odiaba, the national level. Say infiltrated the Ghana Police Service. are infiltrating national security. Omunyina ekra ID cards. Omokra etuo weapons. Who gave these people these weapons? Who gave these hoodlums weapons and uniforms belonging to the Ghana Police Service? Mathieu, the Director of Operations of the Ghana Police Service, Mathieu Police PRO, almost omu name in Crawford. Ghana, the Ghana Police Service do not wear masks. They don't operate as ninjas. But they also when the mask wearing security personnel who are not known to the official setup. And clearly, private armies have been raised in flagrant violation of the Constitution. Constitution of Ghana is very, very clear. Nobody can raise a private army. And yet, that is what has happened. And President Akufo-Addo ought to know that people have toiled for the peace and tranquility of this country. The democracy, nature over the years.
MPP is taking this power as a matter of life and death. They said it already. They said all die, be die. And they are acting out and living the reality of the all die, be die. I'm sure that this evening when you turn on your televisions, you will see what happened at APOSO West. And so we are not going to joke in 2020. And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot. We respect the constitution of this country. And NDC is a democratic party. And that's why we abide by the rules of the constitution. But the same constitution says that Ghanaians should resist anybody who attempts to subvert the constitution. And when you go rampaging with forces and intimidating people when they should come out and vote, you are subverting Ghana's constitution, and we have a right to resist you. And so we'll get a full briefing of what happened, but I just want to sound a caution that NDC has revolutionary roots, and that when it comes to unleashing violence, nobody can beat us in unleashing violence. It is just that we midwife this country's democracy. And so we must be the first to respect the country's democracy. And that is why we are acting as a party that is very docile and respecting the rule of law. But if we believe that the government cannot protect our people, and we believe that the government is using its vigilante groups and illegal forces to intimidate and harass and injure our MPP is taking this power as a matter of life and death. They said it already. They said all die, be die. And they are acting out and living the reality of the all die, be die. I'm sure that this evening when you turn on your televisions, you will see what happened at APOSO West. And so we are not going to joke in 2020. And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot. We respect the constitution of this country. And NDC is a democratic party. And that's why we abide by the rules of the constitution. But the same constitution says that Ghanaians should resist anybody who attempts to subvert the constitution. And when you go rampaging with forces and intimidating people when they should come out and vote, you are subverting Ghana's constitution, and we have a right to resist you. And so we'll get a full briefing of what happened, but I just want to sound a caution that NDC has revolutionary roots, and that when it comes to unleashing violence, nobody can beat us in unleashing violence. It is just that we midwife this country's democracy. And so we must be the first to respect the country's democracy. And that is why we are acting as a party that is very docile and respecting the rule of law. But if we believe that the government cannot protect our people, and we believe that the government is using its vigilante groups and illegal forces to intimidate and harass and injure our people, then we will have to advise ourselves.
It's and then the brain in my course, so I was so was my headphone, my oh. Na a hard drink kakra. The course on yet, but in some of you also a no correct. One, say a Casa CCA, there's no confirmed report so be a and no, you're number one. Sam George on that baby more than Mr. The course when run no at time abu fro and ya the papa cry. But there's no official confirmation so be a ABNS ya mente but fienra made done a 12 a pound. With someone on me WhatsApp here, they will tell you 12-1, number 9 was just trying, waiting, their contacts, various hospitals near there to find out say I'm APOSO be a hospital administrator back on the under mama in the Kasayano. Why are you disturbing me this night? I'm saying I want to know. Sire all the other hospitals. There's no confirmation, say Obieu. Say BBS here, Yenteye. I'm not disputing that. Ubet me aboy amane na yetimi aka e wo by election no honye de yare the hospital wu ye the tosu mienu Sam George on that baby more thing because enra even in the fresh state you know menene kasaye but I still stand by my point. Say number one, your system no gradually na jinsemu say National Security Minister say also can say
was near question no enye near question no ehu
said National Security Minister catch now say the course so nkrofo yes I wo munya police for wo munya soldier for wo munya under the national security until the course so enra no ehu a and then me am tie ya me na na me nya yey wo mo gugu mo hye gugu mo atakwa ne ayamforo ne mozam no ne nkanfo no wo mo nya dan ankamufo wo mo nya dan winiba akachi abo kuma setafo asafo wo mo nya dan chebifo a wo mo nya sojafo nya posifo mo nya hwe no wo mo nya dan
eti captain ya confirm senra wo mo a na mo yesa na mo nya police fo mo nka security fo bia
ani nim Ghana police fo
dia ni edi hu Ghana police for
police ni bie ni hwa wo hu ni poko boss Sam George asobno police ni bie ni ho be behave sir I am telling you the police for was no discipline though hu almost awo ho no answer no be ye bibia entina time I ka say ma me Midland asemi na me say genya ntobo ase no answer na police ni bien who be behave that way no
na Midland ye no wa masumu no so boy
me catch you say e ba ginya bote e court what happened other videos no court ho no to post the chair down for the crown na but you no want some ye can the course and run
ne course run
National Security Ministry BNI Ghana Police Service mo investigate pictures be the nam minim say there are images everywhere mumusa mo baby munya ntade de fiye
won ka kura na omutim no captain ka na omutim no ya twe ho SWAT ye police for wonu SWAT ye bi enti no say omotumi anya police and
dangerous International Security Minister say dangerous no wonya ntiase
really me no one state wo say because say omo ye say ntina
because when you have a vigilante group being driven in a police vehicle, not just a police vehicle, a police armored vehicle,
police for no me ya no ne hwe say omo ana omo te omo SWAT team car na ya twemu Ghana Police Service no omo nya police for dia ene nke
e bia na photoshop
e bia ene nke nwe visa wonim sa vigilante nsensem we no mekai pa IGP obetu o mase IGP ne wo honum yi captain say yantumi anyi sa vigilantism na mfiri honum say ye data force say ye invisible say ye bamba boys say ye azoka boys boga bulldogs na no na metie regional organizer you war eastern region Oliver Kevo ya no wo kasa eastern region de no matter ye say the party no say den we ye mu ye nyina no ne yiri nim ne banim meni ye ha menu no woni pakro se wujeja wo ho wujeja wo ya nsem bi wo no aka no radio so na de na nso no se wujimi ho emma politician bi be fa wo sabo kona kokko no won na fie ni ebeti no wawu ni akoma wo yire nsa ni ama no be 10,000 yesi o yakọ hwekunafo no waja wo yire no magu hono mo ni yakun en chese wo ni pakro do pa mi enyusu sa na mum se Ghana mampani na nadoda nkwa kufu ado antumi anhwe ama sa vigilantism we ye ntuase wo mayi mu a ene ya sum ye ni yenya
dabi
yenya
wonim Nana do want me to vigilantism aseda
di enti no want me to ase or beneficiary
John Mahama want me to ase unyo obi ankasa pray no kra we nkyere wo mienu me I'll tell you Nana do ne John Mahama NDC ni MPP
what John Mahama so dia we dia betu say ye kan tutu asem a ye ne di tutu asem
Nana do dan kwa Akufo-Addo the president of the republic and the NPP John Dramani Mahama the former president of the republic and the NDC they benefit from such things and say they benefit from it and you know they would never wamunye but now yeah they hear me yan say minimum they couldn't say your phobia IGP pet no politician then the real finish police ethics
it seems say or more bad that or more politicians no more by what me drew no abeda
no minimum they could put pa e what's IGP akonwa so a your body pani di no be IGP pet no ada politician then the real finish so police ni enti police fon keto no kra wo fam usu a wo monte but
nyame hu ye mobo na me da me mafutu ana me dia ma no evisa ayewaso waso agon onko ho nkodi atwatwasem and expect san nipa no e honom ne say onfatuo mu no meto aba no omonto
we should take things very serious in this country. Ghana youth Macau
kakra munya omo e be kwa akoto aba no
Ghana mebu no Macau na me say 100 years to come baby ayesie mi no mo de mo bo bebre mo musie ho me say se mebuna ye wo krum ha ya nhase anwen na yan take the destiny of this country into our hands na yan yadwen say ye be ye no man no ayeyi a san kwakurafo yi o me say Ghana mai cause enra me catch you say on the average politician wenya 40 into oko na de be ma wo mbedi tumi na ye won de na ya na ye me yase ye de mebunu na ye saade ewi ani ya ma 100 Ghana ewi ani ya ma 200 Ghana beti ase adwuma ni ho ekom de wuntra ba listen krobe asante kotokoro tumfo say to ababi o kasembi o se sa de kokko yin na efa kan kwada hu moja wonwane ade kokko ebia efa kan kwada hu moja wonwane se sike bia ni die na da ko bi nko jail o ska ho mo maye ma obi ndada ye we keep saying these things but asamna Kwame Nkrumah kae no or say experience has shown that change, when it is denied or too long delayed, violence will break out here and there. Not that men planned or willed it, but the accumulated grievances will erupt with volcanic fury. Sa fury no anyone say eye fury a yedi kum fury a yedi pra fury a de say ade. Ese say volcanic fury a ebetu ne bone ase. As I say, volcanic fury. Ebema ayarehwe papa aba. But maybe I kono. Kakran. Security aspect to be review okay. I think somewhere last year or so. I say, am I try your sheni now before state now the places and those countries were as peaceful as Ghana. But what happened? Openi Abrampa, Mensa Programs Officer, Emma CDD, Center for Democratic Development. Abrampa Mache.
Media media.
Nampacho, appointment to say.
Yamia Adom now, sir.
About the other room, o my name is share who's essential in your by your hoodie. Eja, a hen a year queen. The den you're being to me as I know.
Yo, media, medasi. Minfa Quenya is so. I mean, share a tier for Omutia, Adom feminine affiliate stations in some of these discussions here, because also the education be back, especially election war constituency back one. Man for more my phone in a MHB. Now, Omunya stories, I will pass a multi see. Ramesha say free just last week. Convene a dialogue. National Peace Council, CDD Ghana, one NCC, organize a Central Hotel. The basic issue where I can't want them is vigilantism. Especially the chair of the National Peace Council, how the CC elections and post-election and form. Now, yes, I got 2 serious elections. Local government election, you better have a referendum or why they determine whether to elect MMDCs or not. Now, if you require you got 2020 general elections, now we share some of the statements. Any mobilization has started, political parties publicly endorsing some of the vigilante groups. Not just a by-election, Yakonya experiment of what they say, practicalizing some of the statements that we record in the media. Coalition of Domestic Election Observers observe more than half of the polling stations. In fact, baby as I say me see about observers about 2. In the statement, Minano are concentrating on the securitization of the election. It shows how buying that UNDP for the first time. Yeah, who said donors and foreign missions no moon for moon and to but the first time UNDP country director will issue statement. And now we could do say here how I shall funding getting from 2008 2012 report to 2012 election conference center and this is Ghana in monetary year incident of vigilantism issue for more than 50% comparing 2008 incidents to 2012 incidents. I was in 2016. I mean, so we say a here concerted effort, but of course, some of them no see which back as the discussion goes on.
Share and radio air koya. And pay me by and the bomber man, yes, National Security Minister Crassi the course when run no share your man said a secret in the Kratia, nay, and Yama Hodra na one air boy who by be here. Na your bobbin Tim Pans and when ya kakra. Now share the Andre call ye ya. Bam Bankasa at say.
Many that say. The Andre call, me ubisa me as somebody who does security analysis me picking from only one major point: lack of coordination of security. Say you share major elections now. You will be a friend no National Election Security Task Force. Here decentralize regional election security task force. Now you're called district election security task force. So there's proper coordination of security arrangement and deployment from the national to the regional to the district. And they have a structured reporting system. And they say on uniform police, on uniform security, when the from baby, our brown to quickly identify what is there. But NM said that there are major elections we are. You move all other special elections, especially intra-party contests, local government elections, by-elections, and any other special election, you must attention in general elections, then you go National Security Task Force. So it's an ad hoc committee. Could you, especially Justice Crabbe the baby co, that be in his recommendation, or say at least say maintaining National Security Task Force no because a task force that bring coordinated security agencies together and house the police headquarters headed by the IGP. Yeah, they recommend, but there should be a semblance of a secretariat quickly the special elections but coordinated security. When you know name so called filter, they filter and monitor 4 polling centers. I saw no coordination. So it got to a point that some of the national security guys who wear ties of national security, challenging people at the polling center. You need professional security. You have deploy from through the National Election Security Task Force. They know the processes. If there's anything even going on, they will resort to contacting the presiding officer before they take any action. But you see some of these guys directly intervening in the electoral process. What I tell you say, a lack of proper coordination. It's just like the police with its colleagues, immigration were deploying, the national security outfit was deploying, and there were other personal bodyguards who were also deployed. And we need to look at that. Yes, it's not prudent that we may not be able to maintain the exact structure of election security task force, but the secretariat must be maintained so that in special elections the coordination will be there. What happened yesterday was a lack of proper coordination of security and deployment.
Our vigilantes, Director of Research at Ghana Police Service, COP Nathan Kofi Boachiaka, or say the way we see training private security in some vigilante groups, this by-election by exposing. Say exposing, we should be very alert come 2020, and this country will be in flames. Okay, are we safe? Are we secured?
We are never safe. In fact, Dr. Agojo, Edika Cancer Seminole, Kofi can several times. The Minister for National Security himself, when platform you analyze the security in the country, he added to some of the challenges that we need to deal with. Even though from his point, he knows what is put in place. But there's no platform of being unfair vigilantism and challenges, the national security challenges. In fact, he flags it as something that his outfit needs to tackle, and I believe together with his colleagues, they may have plans to tackle them. You're starting inside the way before the 2008 election. And a Kofiana International Peacekeeping Center, led by Dr. Koscielny, approaches CDD Ghana. And being somebody who is in charge of security at CDD Ghana, we met. And we said, okay, before we go into studying it, we should have a data. The city doesn't go out without data. So we tasked ourselves to work with NCC and SHRAG at Tamale. Because then, Azoka Bamba issue ahead of 2008 elections. So we went to Tamale to do feasibility. Meanwhile, with Tamale alone, before the 2008 elections, they had 27 youth groups who are affiliated to either a candidate or political party and who sometimes indulge in vigilante activities. Armed with this information, we tried to replicate the study in other constituencies to map out conflict-prone areas during elections. 20 conflict-prone areas. You will say it cut across, but it had not come to the limelight. So we had the data there. In 2012, we said, okay, young who the trend, whether through advocacy, National Peace Council underground, Chief Imams outfit, the Christian Council, other master adewe akofomana. So we did a 2012. After the 2012 monitoring, trend analysis, the incidents themselves have increased. The groupings have increased. Idea increased. Now the other who say and say are taking some dynamics there. It need concerted effort. Say no, and confirm with the it is a political party vigilante groups in Kwa. You can't confuse my ready. My says a political party we approach you Tom services. It are taking some dynamics there about lucrative to certain groups of people on the discuss. It is a do major activity say they are far proper security arrangement who say these are the people through the coordinated election security yet deploy with special, in fact last Mikasa they make us say yes, even though they may wear the identification, they may wear their uniforms, but there should be special badge be at the election task force, because they who say and comfort in the president what they can and comfort to be political and comfort to be a macho man, but because they all wear similar uniforms, it's very difficult to identify them. So we need to strategize and put in place measures. And yes, there are 2 elections where enemy 2019 election referendum. Referendum nomination 100% of Ghanaians happiness. So the way it is going, even if we like it, there may be some homophobia, be 1 or 2 so. And if these things happen, they may decide to scheme to affect the process. If we open your national elections, we need to act and act fast. So if something you say familiar with the records, the data, and with the practical things we are seeing, we are not seeing.
Yes, security system, no, I break it down one.
We have one security structure mandated by the Constitution. So you are conforming to the constitutional tenets. So it's only the recognized and legally mandated institutions, security institutions with their assigned task and their commands at any particular point in time. Then you see vigilantism, personal bodyguards, party security, infiltrating public activities that our security will continue to break down.
This issue, sir, President Biobabia, no, na Ebodin, Wimbe IGP, Wimbe National Security Minister, Wimbe Chief of Defense Staff, near the heads of security institutions, say, oh, Memhano. Baby, do you want here say your mum penny because where you want better no be one?
I discussed the recommendations about out the brain. Now, the APOSO say here national discussion on the dialogue on that. If you say, well, a majority of people think, say, there should be a look at the structure of appointment, even recruitment, transfers, all these things. We should have it. In fact, one of the papers that CDD Ghana Troy said we should have at least a security of tenure for top security heads, so as to make ensure them say they will have the confidence to work. What I say will be a shaky. About wrong transfer, especially the security talkers no crab for instance temporary they are not saying in Accra. So yes, what some of us think that we need a structured appointment with security of tenure assurance, and also we need to review our recruitment and promotion transfer system in the security services. And also feel say we are touching so much on the powers of the president. So we think there should be a national dialogue for us to have specification on that. But of course, it has impact on that. Appointment structure, Ubia opposition on traffic security system. Ubia, in fact, if we made it clear at the last week, I say Ubita mixed after my presentation. Also, I also be say I don't know opposition be also say about what is one AEB against but our power there will give police service needy. You interrogated that strategy, how to mitigate it. He made it clear. He sent the question straight to me after my presentation. And yes, we all admit there's something wrong in the structure, but very few people also disagree with us that we are touching on the powers of the president. So I think we need a national dialogue on this to have a specification as to what we want.
This issue, sir, party be about power, now party boys here do more national security, no, in
fact, one country director or make or your analogy be from Nikrum or also no on the committee be so one of the states. And a friend is saying state governor can say no more community task force be or no more try abo security no I'm dealing with criminal activities or special theft cases. Inti okasi yen training room na yen powers are make me dealing with criminals. In fact, they did all this, and the question will be, sir, state governor say, after they succeed, what do we do with their skills? Question will be, sir, state governor, I don't know. And in fact, his conclusion will say, after about 3 months, criminal activities in the area went down. But by then, because we did not make use of the skills of these people, kidnapping started going up. Oh, honey, I got state governor be offers. Yes, if it's governor, oh, honey, I got oil rich people. No, yes, those people who were motivated, who will build skills to do particular activity, but did not get use of their activities after the exercise we gave them. We may use those skills for other atrocities. It's the same thing. When we are fighting for power, because what we've done whilst we were in government, security because we need the IO, we try to find our own security. They are building muzzles. They are building comfort. Sometimes you know what you bad men and I flat minus one. We don't collect these guns. We don't collect these weapons. Then we don't also know what to do with them. Then forcefully, we find a way of integrating them into the system. These people have no professional qualities. These people have no background studies and the commitment to be policemen. They have been forced there because they did something. It is that professionalism, competencies, integrity now, police service, building, and security agents, building in their recruitment, in their training. These people don't have it. All that they know is what they did to gain the service is what they are going to practicalize. That is the danger we have in our system.
It looks to me that there's more to it than we know on the surface.
Seriously, yes. Seriously, yes. In terms of the national dialogue, no, because that's why I said the data I have before me, I think we are just weeding around the main bush. We can't clear it. We need to sit down as a country and find a way of clearing the bush.
Patro data woni and chebi say
it's work in progress. In fact, we are working seriously to finalize it together with Kofi Annan Center and the other security agencies. Finally, definitely, there will be more to it that we share with them. Because what we try to do is to have a roadmap as to how to deal with these menace. Media will have a role to play. Traditional authorities will have a role to play. The religious bodies will have a role to play. Concertedly, you better how everything deal with it.
Just what she said here is international community no ayana a bad sense some Ghana and international community no some titru UN UNDP issue statement condemning what happened. Yeah, image. What will happen to it?
Investor papa bia eba o man no mo a opese independent NGO a political environment analysis man of answer oba first no they will just write to their foreign missions and go through the special agencies and ministries environmental. They go to the ministry, say mining, and they go to mines and energies, electricity, they go there. Right now, they don't trust that system anymore. Even though they do their initial studies, they contract individual think tanks to do political environment analysis for them. What is happening on the ground is what will produce to you. Same as the University of Lagos, all the research institutions, that is what they will do for them. And you ask yourself, if I send this to an investor who is serious, will he commit more funds? Even if to be committing more funds to it. And yet only the international community is condemning us. We are also blocking some opportunities that otherwise we might have had. It's a serious issue and portray investor confidence at all. And yes, like a UN issue statement.
That's very real. Yeah, you want to encourage my team to move. Yisra, the other bonting. Obey UN statement. So, United Nations Development Program has been following the ongoing by-election in the DWASO West Wogon constituency in the Greater Accra region with keen interest, as this is a further illustration of the democratic process that is embedded in Ghana. However, our attention has been drawn to media reports of violence and a shooting incident by unidentified armed men at the Labalawoshi Presby Junior High School polling station during the by-election, leading to the injury of at least 6 people. We strongly condemn such impunity and brazen acts of violence which undermine Ghana's hard-earned democracy and peace. Ghana is a pillar of stability in the sub-region. Ghana, as a pillar of stability in the sub-region, must not become complacent. We call on all to avoid violence and the use of inflammatory language that could further increase tension. Signed by Miss Gita Welch, Resident Representative of the United Nations Development Program. It's bad. I know the Facebook message.
Hello. The Kasa or different lines why it's wrong.
Me come there ubon krata so. Na daily guide na yede ehyasie ansa na wasan akwanim. Daily guide ubon krata no e de atudwa se.
So mama na just Samuel Asari Kuyamwa, Deputy Chairman Operations NCC. Eja Kuyamwa temen kama chair.
Yeah.
Patrona
Awadi atawoma.
Ohine je no ekọ ye nte se NCC mode manu se bia ba bonte. Patrona abote na won che dem kan na yintie.
You know let's attack me ya feedback on me phone so me yes call back.
Patro, what temen can say?
The Kasa na back to me.
What Kasa na back to you, but me to kapa
Okay. Yo.
Patro, what temen can? Beautiful. Patro, na me busa say mo the statement about bonting then am person mo communicate it to the Ghanaian.
Oh, me dance pa Captain Martin.
Patro, I senior.
You know, Papa, Captain Smart. You know what civic education. 18 near your person a dead 4 months for him. And it's fair. Oh, my Kadima Minkadia. Your coffee is na to a button on your pet. You're from woman. And yet to trash them. And then the elections in Kwa. And the walk sanction. Kadima Minkadi, Jumasi. Elections here, and the back is pet. I can't. Yes, party form the you make me party at a few woman and this people. Yes, then I said, oh, can you say? And she said, yeah, and my Kadima Minkadi. I'm a woman. I am into Nipa Ubefa acquire any Rapan so I was Kadima Minkadi. I'm a woman, a dear 2 months. Uni Quadia, I will Kadima Minkadi. Now, Casate in Sukashivia, you are at the car from many kinds. And Libya, you call by election. Now, but I'm not a Adom. By elections, so I ain't can't win any catwalk. By a Kaigan of 4 said, Yanshiya, sir, to try to know you be near many of Rapanso, I am fast. And what back for the 2 by elections. Yanshiya, that's all, you're the patriot. I see, so much. It's a 4 month phone, Kaye, Omo politics in anything in a say Ome Upia say Asum man, I am back. Say I'm Padia and a young say Padia can see me cry, Umubia. If you actually would you. And you said before you actually do a man you. It will tell you almost members, they pull money in Kenya. You found so I walk. Yes, young fire won't a party and also a man can be mine can be. A man, ye was just found to say, young son, or Bruni say, a participate. It's say, young tree. Now, you say, hey, if Muyanka, so not catch it. Ye compatriot, Abuan, DWASO NSEM for one and not the it's ye compatriot, exit home work, Adom can be among women, pair. Ghana, the dean is by Asifa. It's yes, stress, Timamo 4, party 4, Ubian and Brat. Na a man my born bonus so that's and cosmic.
I just say, what shall Meribiano? I am not Semisia, ye Casasa, ye baby, no, na woman says, or young woodman and so a jar to her. Ye bamban Casano. And what to Chimana?
Me to me, Cathy a bamboo. Captain, me to me, Cathy a bamboo at Chima. A bamboo form, the Shed Ghana police of the Bedouin. Then, no, a young she oh, and she shared opportunity. Walk around with my nose, Ubian country, we are from Rancotin. So long as I was because of the defense, a dear. Ubia for telephone man warning and then I want to be giant. I will to me saying, yes, again, ye sunny American. Now, a bamboo a year, ye police service. Ye know could have been only highly professional. Ya can't say, Omubetini, and ya quenya, say Omubay, my duma, Omunka, what he said. Ubi to me saying, a bet piano and I will be home. And said, no, no, me, John, they would be said, me, Mancasa, and control Robin was said, challenge the million money, Kanya, the Janico, and Father Blanca police. Police want a swiftness with which I would deal with cases of unfortunate circle, Omuquabushi, Omumina, and Omuquacha from one. Sadanwa, I need all the being put out from Jimmy and Mayana. And then she gave a name on that says, Ghana police. She had more quite so long by a car.
I say, nah, you never must say a honey abbey. Sounds so you,
Captain Smith, 2 of them number, you hear.
I was smart, you hear me? And as I said, Okobo NCC. Yam for line.
Mammy, call me paper and so also.
Send that the for politician be our own. We have them. On my day.
Abushan the Wonkrata daily guide then na ye womna daily guide the moon no the Wonkrata e dia twidwa the Wonkrata e dia twidwa say NDC amanyoko no plan say aye wahwe wesu agona bato ye course no enko mbe say niema na so aye flop the daily guide just any otim fa ye e wonra abato ye course no emu no na the Wonkrata kro ye mu wasi waba penna kane no no na maslog adwumako no wodano sabre empanimfo abɔ no kwa edu sɛ adwuma a wɔyɛ yɛ ɛwɔ maslow ko no emu no ɔbapani said nam Christine Tamaklo ationu wa mo ɔman ya bɔ ka soso enti emra yɛ ka ne sɛ causing financial loss to the state no wɔde abɔ no ya sabre ya make sɛ no ɔde no ebegyina emra no kwa edu a wɔde abɔ no de the one kata ni bi sɛ aduowotwe ebi so say chese bebre charge e dia bonu no bebre na the bonkrat e wode mo ensem abetudwa na xylophone adwumakuo no so na chese na moan mu na madure wunsa na anu yokofo de betudwa say wonu mu agitumi ya sese na moan na japade nyina da chese emra kwa so wonu mu ensada so ye nwose obi akɔho Wamasim no more honomo no mote say.
So mamma na kwa man so my ba na fe wa ba no so. Then Dr. Kingsley J or your security aspect of Cape Coast University. Dr. J, good morning.
Good morning, Smart.
Doc Mpatwa to say.
Let me have Dominion. I'm also
Janka Kakra, Yugugum, India. Mpacho, ye memo hey, ye were proper coordinated security. Ewaha.
That's your question, maybe.
Maybe say, or manya ye woman, a banner ye security, a ye well coordinated, and
the mechanics, to some extent, yes, but unfortunately, yes, slip into the jungle, and in the jungle. The powerful do what they can, and the weak suffer what they must. And teacher will share a buy a soul in Ranoa. Obi a weenie. Obi at the hospital because Obi SSO be weenie. Yabo be so true, any ordinary person, parliamentarian, because ye toa benti. Ye who vigilante groups are among state security. I am my own space. The national security over Nancy Bien Kashi. No more space a brutalizing crop for near the initiative. The day drone. And he would describe who can in a bomoa. Because a coordination a week. Na the young the bracy amount who was a swallow nipano. Mafi, your control na ye. Yen kwechire bebre, be call Rwanda heya. Group be sorry ya, no wa banya fa. Youth no. The friend in Tereham way. On Edinwea and Ma African a massacre nipa 800,000 in 3 months. Bakono Boko Haram say ya ne shase. Enti politicians na didi won so a enti control no more multiply ene on Africa henyina. Na dia ye no. Political parties ni nu aya kesi o man NDC MPP no. Omo ebe massa groups because we are person matching yonko boot for boot. Until groups ebe multiplied for 2020. One year 2020. The young control groups here. Okabontin control ba onye sure so be sana be fie. Because it me a parliamentarian sutra. Na mene wo captain ordinary people yini anti as I said national security everyone says form enko ye easy sir if you say ye shase no a check ene ye groups bia also a 10 ADD ya kese 10 on into vigilante groups bet me our found services at the ama political parties at home. Now, we say we are treading on slippery ground. It's security no, and ye papa. nipa saying na ye to a baby and no year or pie and ne and he no more. Are we looking for them? It's a memo. Be a president aboni din so nkoshe dwumadi so yetumi bambel no etamno yede ne kokko yede omu kokota na Rambo style vigilante groups akoyi no jeje no eseso o fahin anoko na ye ni hwe whole president akojina kumasi akase saade no bi nsibio da okasa ye no abisi yeda so anya sa grusi ewa bathroom. My brother, a year ago, na say ye ko juma ba ye niema bibisa ye mu kompo enhwe echi. Let's say, Mr. President, says an abreso obitimi masadi we ya kofomwa ebe plans for him. Ye betwa ba ye vigilante groups bia obia be kwa because basic elements of democracy are elections. Na say my elections ye securitize elections if any coin. And take up your friend the mechanism coordination ye weak, very weak. My share video no. Ye bo ura na sutron sub George. Ye chasing wa ojaniano. We will say possibly be free the walk on na okra phone a free or AP. I will be any nagin class will be protected. Saying as I say ye twaba Ghana. It's unfortunate. And NDC, it's my bay MPP. Nam penning for no politicians and on be on the dinner some boom. Boom. Now you create monsters on the streets. Now ordinary people and they suffer. And the Mekako say as I say now she we and yet bottom up a top down. Top down is say in yet debate as to how to appoint a security couple more. We know because of that. I'm going to say your history of elections for Ghana. You name say party BRA or opposition no only by elections for that. So I check here. But elections bar it's so be a contest. And now be named the decision and just so be a contested. But it will be our power no. Now I release the vigilante groups, not take security crime, gonna cry and cashi. They are bully opposition. They are winning because you perceive your co-parliament in Tinia. So they be na ya blue beer just say at the international level no. Yes, say it. Na nyemi hu say ebebasa Ghana da ye ka say we are a beacon of hope for Africa's democracy. A third wave democracy. I say ye beacon of hope. Oasis of peace I claim in a turbulent region. Yes I me ya. E dey kwan ye twa atrefofo. Afufra one super will saying it's unfortunate. Now as I say Abienwa a basse yes a banya. Now yes security commanders IGP no one can no as I see a shame ye pa. I say Obia several and you know yes woman majuma, yes woman professionals, but they are crippled. Okoyewa nyini year obenya transfer ompe. A bad thing say name vigilante group of free and people the boss for trouble. Now they be called police station. So could seek justice. Unfortunately, justice is man. A bad thing say commander beti me a coach minister bia or ye bridi a bad thing. The commander yes we need adwuma na system no man kwan. And this is the situation I am. Yeah, year 2020 this country would bend. The Ebrason say educate in the panel. Ebrason say a bank create a Jumanem rank no. The more dia nima wo abeti ya kese no this Juma no ye pay Juma pay bi ma won ye. Ebrason say a more political education, ye political mobilization. Ebrason say yes sir. Ebrason say yes security conscious. Na ye who say a back for ye securitize no. Say ye do baby a ye timi to aba e we ye fie kra na ye sent be a wo presi bibi na komwa. Ye here prosi for kra ho. Na isane say ye no stage no Ebrason say in penning for I say in security no on bebo e ho ban. Na ye di niema bi gu ho a e be boa ma obi e ho say transparent. Ebrason say electoral commission e so fair, e so transparent. Ebrason say mrab me ba say yem perceive bi ho apart from agents any national security on call for be kwa share elections no problem. Yem perceive bi ho any other military group be and as a military group and as a vigilante group be. Yes, sir, not civilized society. Yes, sir, 2020 turnout very, very low because of the penning. Captain Hanam do this year.
Doc, with us. Dr. Kinsley J. on Sanat, on the interview or no. Obakana Samina, we are non wa catch or say ha. And I'm do busy.
Oh no, baby, I will do no go.
You see, anyway, there's coming a time. No problem.
Enkasa baby.
There be menkasa. Me no dey make bia na make wie. You see, you what's your memoir? We invite Interior Minister no better radio so for interviews you Michio Mampani Ejuma pa oye. And it's a wabua mayen so waponi to me kakra de amayen. It's right from the beginning. Minister na catch us on ring. Yes, we catch up from the beginning so on ring. We invited Defense Minister, the same process. National Security Minister, the same process. Talk to IGP. He will start with the president. He will start with the president. It's as a Kotomamin sorry Mamin Koto. And edit him. But I am waiting to see one day. Yebenya mampani ode den sabe gu na chi na waka che Ghana posi for COP sini na se monko hye dem na mo amunyi mu nipa ba kombra on be yadwuma may train say president will go against the odds to say the course in Nicaragua no na ya first sergeant na ya no head of police department na ya head the COPs and the DCOPs what they will do 0302-216-561 0302-216-561 and then yeah no dey am come fra come on dream yanko morning ebusa ma minti
oh Captain sir
dami Adom
FM kwa kudem ka free dance ma
kwa kumidase ko
yeah Captain we interview one of the NDC are you from the national company phone I'm saying community but they were or kasa and nenye and they say also for the kasa who so answer as someone that them come as so can and this time boys on back this time the one kasa nenye medium very powerful. It's a interview nipa compare very respected people. You know, this thing kwala you never ni na. Omutie First is our courtesy for boys and girls. This time I'm saying that we need to be. It means some interview some politicians and I'm very respected people on the Casamity. Other than that, yesterday I had to switch off the Adom radio because I didn't like the way the man was talking.
All right, but that's
the whole president you have to insult. It's not good.
Jump for the next person. Hello, morning.
Hello, good morning.
Patrol on it.
You say the cost for that police campaign for me. Who said to say you for a banner? The fair one being. It's almost you said about Mokokeke. Not a true air from Adom. And you depend on my father's hair. We are much more the Suyan. And yes, one of the Suyan, only a few. A people of the woman of Canada saw the Suyan. It is a fair one thing. Young fair one thing, Nemo who said, or man, no Muadia, and yet it's for the anything for the.
Hello, morning.
Good morning, sir.
Patrol, I'm into you.
Madras. To say if you go by when it's a program, before God, the man, I'm weeping. Then, who is 5% again? The calculation natural. Again, the Kakaka, the Tunikaka. Let's see. Oh, Patrol.
Hello, morning.
Hello, Captain.
Patrol, my into.
Captain.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm glad. That's a coming to the plan. They say, Nami, and a shop. And I knew, and I mean, I would be doing more. That's a Zoom say. On top of or your Christian, or your head, and can you see back? Yes, sure. Because I can say in Ghana, police for Mukita, March, Mukta, and I'm a day book and this. I don't happy. Say a conu, a doctor, also for una question. Imam, Udamba, APOSO, Udamba. No matter the Senado, no better quality. Now, what will you do? I say, I will listen. It's another say, no, go. Now, I'm sorry, I been called a transfer mission, actually. I'm going to pay a management. One of them to start mission because anything, yeah, anything. We need to trust them for now or people about who I have the latest amends. I'm not saying for Nasuban. Now, Captain, somebody like Nasa come up LPG. I don't, okay, place there. So, for 2 years, but that's all my I could do 2 years. Then you're 2 years now. Not the 2 years, I could do my.
Hello.
Hello, Captain.
Morning.
Coffee.
Morning to you.
We had some propaganda this year anyway. And I look at a quick yeah. You said that in the and well, common correct. It's a form of BBC woman. Now you put for here and this is about the wrong back and people no point to eat now and also more power we and and I hear you so about no young about policemen for said no one was about look at the turn up what yes some of the hour and then was which has a good no crap and did you know almost tell the who now I can't remember I don't know what that because I'm better crap.
Oh
no one day, like you've been saying. Me is a problem. Then so be I can't one day, no. Big woman, so. Me no one said I am the to say because all this thing. To abide say you pertain. Into a banner BBC, the ABR or more effective all the year. Where are you heading forward? My daughter,
Hello, morning.
Captain, good morning.
Good morning. Patrol Mamin too.
Captain, Ray, Dr. Mike from Captain, Kaka Mekan say, yes, sorry, so we should be rap. Not NBC for a year. Oh, my God, look at that, said, Ujabi Ato, baby. Captain, on my new woman, almost a cat at your mind, Yako, baby. Ujabi to a name, Papa, NBC for fire, and then professional.
Hello. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Patrol Mamin too.
Yeah, Mpacho Midindi Abdurrahman. Kakra no can say. And ne koso Ghana. Masa, se misi mi ye NDC na mi ye NPP na. Mana ye masa asem won enyenye because we should take Ghana for faith. Masa, and then they never knew na ko. Masa, enfi say you want 24 omudi ni mo Ghana pani. And this police ni penny etumepie atumaka say and the see omu nim san kofia masa na me no let us say you are awrahumpa enti ende na make can say media masa send the police for soldier for ye yi mo esi sa mu na mo don't ma bo man no ye de dem pa mo cho say Ghana de be yakodu ye pese be ko tibio me de dem pa mo cho ye pese ye da ye nda ye de dem pa mo cho masa ende eduma uye me pese otuna anytime bia ye me be odom o metuma beduma o da no oda wo busani bia be o bia accident ko bia but ne ekoi masa munka bi man Ghana na ye eya roho masa bye bye
ozo bye bye.
Hello.
Good morning.
Pacho, good morning.
Pacho Mamin too.
Pacho, hello.
Pacho meet you.
Mr. Captain, but the slope about I want to see I'm a pay. Me rock, you papa about time. You want to see one year mama young run and want to throw. We are in Saudi, we are still she only do mama and pan and never was dear. You may want to NDC. As I'm not a quiet for only say. I didn't want to quiet that Dana and Koyana Yakano. Almost say NDC buy a bintino or no, almost all about Mobile. That then did go my dear. And the next time say, you know, about time, yeah, with the strong. Mr. Captain, do you mama and you do mama? Now I am to see a medical cafe. Why? I am to see a medical cafe. Strong. Bye bye.
Hello. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Pacho Mamin too. Hello, what's your name? Yeah,
hello.
Hello, Pacho Kasa.
Yeah, Captain, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Captain, Mr. Wo, maybe the thread, Mr. Santam. Na Captain, that's one we are one of the journalists I believe. Oh, boy, Juma. No doubt about it. But I my acquaintance friend will be KBB. Now, some more can engineers when so I saw to me the son of myself, and I said, we'll stop on it. Obi say NDC for no mu ya say ojato memu no opese say NDC for ya den pato wo mo e ko ho no mo ko dia trasam no pato NDC ni bi dia trasam wo NDC ni ben ye bi a o ma ti no a no nti NDC for do ma ya den Captain no ye o na nya to no o mo ha ya doso no me last word and me person me can say Captain
and then say na tie dia ne minyi wonsu free so na min twa wano ana
tell me say won tell me ka kire me my den dey na maka boni anope say ma bobi subo bi a enye no kra ka kire me
that's it
subo be na bi da okwe
hello
good morning
Pacho Mabintio
Pacho otabene mo anya so tum constituency
me da so tabe
odin kan me chia onetie fu na ne MPP executive for anya so tiom ene MP ona go share ayo ko botwe odin kan no ndc for no What assembly no for the politics. I wonder how. Because we see nice all right. But we in the whole constituency no and yet for NDC. But also create impression they say see and I go to my head after 2020 election. Or what? So didn't end for one election, one to one way. Want them to trust some idea, the piano a wapa. But I'm pretty open that way. It is assassination, you should all condemn it. Now, the guy idea you're putting on somebody, a MPP, a NDC, a MPP, some situation and so when and so what now. And the slogan of Funano, you should condemn it from NDC MPP. Now, I think MPP, them sitting there 80.
But I say, young family, hello. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Captain.
Pacho, I'm into you.
You'll be Pacho, but that's it. Better to change it, I'm Captain. Captain, I'm used to with me. The sea war, will by election in Niagara condemn the bank. Now, police so and then the profession. So, you sure I'm more mobile, no more 10 maximum. So, when you get national security, the best ID, yes, police council, soldier, no, almost two. Obiano, Umbecabiano, or Mumfanina, and Ranano. Now, equalization, yeah, will be a two at you up, and Tibaquetia, and no M1. And Ra, Yenia, Procupine, almost and some of kind of M1. We been a senior penny for my spirit. You are still playing Papa on country, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, say, combat Machi MPP good to good. And no M1 Madana, yen Koso. But the people who have misspent to me out. What's it? I'll say, sorry, you 10 years a day of mine basic. Somewhere in this Kanyadi. Captain, that I teach me because at the bank and as I did to be because you also be Korea or yet better near Jilino. I don't know 1 week. But we are waiting, pim. Now you say, what lawyer, no awkward. We are the graveyard and no children. No, could you be bought about? And you look court now, judge. No, I'm not on any more no Jilino. As I said, judges and any police for any now, the same lines, now the way this canon, yet no, they are putting not in the map of where the captain. What can I work? So your Bema was pay our own. Yes, sir. 2019 query, now action, I was started. That's it.
Mensomeda say, I had Adom 106.3, exactly 3 minutes after 9. Yadani ya huwa ba yaba, pensemno ebe koso kama.
Stop us now. 106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3. Talk.
Only God can stop us now. 106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3. Talk.
Only God can stop us now.